Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change default country code in Gmail account. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change default country code in Gmail account, go to your Gmail account and click on gear icon on upper right corner. It's called settings. Now click on see all settings. Here you will find phone numbers and the default country code. The country is selected Bangladesh. I am going to change the default country. I am going to select United States. Now scroll down and now click on save changes. Now loading Gmail. Now the default country code changed to United States on my Gmail. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.